Hey everyone, welcome back to Nambardar TV. I know it's been a rough few days without us, and I want to start off by saying a huge thank you for your patience and understanding. So, here's the deal. Due to some unexpected technical issues, we had to hit the pause button on our broadcasts. It was super frustrating for us too, but our amazing team has been working around the clock to fix everything. And guess what? We're finally back on track. But here's the exciting part. We didn't just fix the issues. We've also given Nambardar TV a fresh new look. Think of it as a makeover. We've got new graphics, new shows, and a whole new vibe that I think you're going to love. We know how much you rely on us for the latest news, insightful analysis, and top-notch entertainment. That's why our commitment to bringing you the best content hasn't changed one bit. If anything, we're more excited than ever to deliver even more of what you love. And here's something to look forward to. On Eid Day, we're launching a whole new era of Nambardar TV. It's going to be bigger, better, and more exciting than ever before. So, mark your calendars and get ready to join us as we kick things off with a bang. Once again, thank you for sticking with us. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to continue this journey together. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Alright, that's a wrap for now. See you on Eid Day, right here on Nambardar TV.